I. What is the value of f of 4, given that you have f of x over x minus 1 equals x squared over 2x minus 1? Then let's have it to be solution. So from here, we have to take note that x does not equal to 1, and then x does not equal to 0. So having known that, let us now recall we are asked to find f of 4. We can use substitution method by letting 4 to be equals x over x minus 1. If 4 equals this, then when we cross multiply, so what we're going to have will be, we have 4 times x minus 1 equals x. Then from here, 4 times x will be 4x. 4 times 1 is 4. Then this equals x. So when we also collect the like terms, we are going to have 4x minus x equals 4. Then from here, when we have this, 4x minus x will give us 3x, and this equals 4. Dividing through by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So this will cancel out this. We have x to be equals 4 over 3 at f of 4. So at 4. So from here, now we have f of x over x minus 1. We have x squared over 2x minus 1. If you want to find f of 4 at 4 over 3, so what we are going to have will now be f of 4 will be equals, at 4 over 3 will now be 4 over 3 square divided by 2 times 4 over 3, then minus 1. So from here we have f of 4. Here will be 4 square over 3 square divided by 2 times 4 is 8 over 3 minus 1. So from here we have f of 4 to be 4 squared is 16 over 9 divided by 8 minus 3 over 3. So we have f of 4 to be 16 over 9 divided by, this will be 5 over 3. We have f of 4 equals 16 over 9. Then we have this as reciprocal law. This will be 5 times, this will be 3 over 5. So we have f of 4. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 3. Then we have 16 times 1 over 3 times 5. Then this will be 16 over 15. So therefore, from here we have our f of 4 to be equals 16 over 15. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos.